Hi guys, it's me, your math teacher Jel. For today's video, let's answer this given problem. And to answer this problem, we need to apply the PEMDAS rule. Okay? So, PEMDAS, which means parenthesis, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Okay? So guys, wag kayo marilito. Yung multiplication and division, same lang sila. Okay? We need to solve it from left to right. Depende kung sino nauna sa kanila. Okay? Kung nauna yung division, of course, we need to divide first, followed by multiplication. Same with addition and subtraction. Kung sino yung nauna, we need to solve it from left to right. Gets? Okay. So, from the given, we have parenthesis and exponent. So, simplify natin yun, guys. Okay, so, 9 square, that is equal to 81. Because 9 times 9, that is equal to 81. Not 9 times 2. Wrong interpretation. It should be times itself. Okay. So, minus. And then, inside the parentheses, we need to divide. Bago tayo mag-evaluate ng exponent. So, 15 divided by 3, that is equal to 5, right? Okay. So, 5 raised to the third power. Do not forget the exponent. And then later, simplify natin yan. Plus 81 divided by 9. Okay? So, 81 divided by 9, that is equal to 9, right? So, 9 times 2. Okay. So, ito yung sinasabi natin kanina. 9 times 2, that is 18. Tapos, 81 divided by 18. So, mamamali tayo ng sagot. Kasi, MDAS, multiplication division, as what I mentioned earlier, kung sino yung nauna kanina, same rank lang sila or position, yun yung isi-simplify natin. Okay? So, wag kayong malilito. And then, simplify ulit natin to guys. We have exponent. So, minus. What is 5 cube? Okay. So, 5 cube, which means 5 times 5 times 5. Gets? Okay. So, 5 times 5, that is 25. Times 5, 125. Okay. Not 5 times 3. Mali kayo doon. Okay? Next. Plus 9 times 2, that is equal to 18. And then, addition and subtraction. Okay, since dito nauna si subtraction, it's okay. So, we need to subtract 81 minus 125. That is equal to negative 44, right? Okay, added by 18. So, what's the sum? Negative 44 plus 18, that is equal to, very good, negative 26. Okay, so which is letter D. Okay, so this is how we use the PEMDAS rule. So, kung meron kayo natutunan sa video ito, kindly like and share. Thank you for watching.